Hino Motors Limited has a long and storied history in the truck business. Like a family tree, it can trace its lineage back to 1918, when Ancestral Tokyo Gas and Electric Company produced Japan's very first motor vehicle, a Model TGE A-type truck. While the road from that first truck to Hino's present incarnation has been a long one, the one constant has been its involvement with trucks. In 1973, Hino became the largest producer of medium and heavy-duty trucks in Japan. The following year, Hino contracted the Marubeni Corporation to establish Hino Motors as its Canadian distribution arm. 24 years after first entering the Canadian market, Hino decided the time was right to take a more active role in Canada. It bought out Marubeni and rebranded Hino Motors as Hino Diesel Trucks Canada Limited. That same year, Hino introduced its next-generation cab-over truck with the 1998 F-Series COE truck with Hino's highly advanced J-Series engine. The dawn of a new millennium brought with it many changes. Building on an alliance that started in 1966, Hino became a subsidiary of Toyota Motor Corporation in 2001. And in 2003, with the launch of the new concept North American Production Series, or NAPS, conventional cab truck line. As important as the launch of the medium-duty truck line was, it was nothing compared to what the next few years had in store for the Hino brand in Canada. An anniversary year, 2004 brought with it multiple milestones, starting with the celebration of Hino's 30th year in Canada, the sale of the 10,000th Hino truck sold in Canada, a groundbreaking ceremony of sorts at the Woodstock, Ontario site of Hino's first assembly facility. 2005 saw Hino move into a new office building on Ambassador Drive in Mississauga, Ontario. And in March of 2006, a year after the start of construction, the 132,000 square foot assembly facility opened and immediately began production of our MDT conventional cab trucks. Capable of supplying the Canadian market with 2,000 trucks per year per shift, the facility includes an on-site modification center capable of customizing trucks for the Canadian market on a timely basis. And it didn't stop there. That same year saw the rebranding of Hino Motor Sales Canada to Hino Motors Canada. In May 2008, production started on Hino's first Canadian-produced cab-over-engine model truck, the 155. A new decade brought with it new milestones, beginning in 2010 when visitors to our November open house were on hand when the first of our newly redesigned medium-duty conventional cab trucks rolled off the assembly line. A year later, with the sale of the 20,000th Hino truck in Canada, the arrival of Hino's newly redesigned and highly successful COE lineup, and the Hino Woodstock plant achieving ISO 14001 certification in December, more milestones were reached. And again in March of 2012, when the release of the 195 Crew Cab and the 195H, the first diesel-electric Class 5 truck sold in North America, helped Hino end the year on a high note with a new vehicle sales record. Not to be outdone by the successes of 2012, 2013 started off with a bang. Production of the 195 models shifted to the Woodstock assembly facility. The new Class 4 165 model was added to the COE family, and a rear air ride suspension system was added as an option for the 165 and 195 models. With the launch of Hino Premium Protection later that same year, Hino once again took the lead by offering the industry's most comprehensive vehicle protection program. The program includes 1 year, 50,000 kilometer maintenance at no additional charge, complimentary engine oil changes, and lubrication services for years 2 and 3 up to 150,000 kilometers, 3 years of Hino Watch roadside assistance, and a 5-year limited engine warranty. All this, and we're just getting started. We can't wait to see what the future brings.